Okay, so how to access your array? So all you need to do is to create your array. For example, access array. Okay, so open your BlueJ program, then create a new class. So we created access array. Okay, so we have here the pre-coded pre-coded source code here. So we have to create our own. So public class access array. So we have the body of the class. Then we have here the public static void main, our main method. Then we have here string arguments. Okay, so how to declare an array? So for example, we have the int, then num. Okay, then we have here the values for our initialization. For example, we will initialize our array 13. Okay, so we have 15, 20, 10, and 17. So take note that our array name is 1. So to store the initial values, so we have here num or the index num sub 0 is equal to 13, num sub 1 is equal to 15, num sub 2 is equal to 20. Then we have here the index num sub 3 is equal to 4, and then we have here the index num sub 3 is equal to 10, and the num sub 4 is equal to 17. Or simply, this is the index index 0. So we have here the index 1, index 2, the index 3, and the index 4. Okay, to display the output, okay, so we have here the statement to display system.out.print. So example, the value is, then we have here concatenation symbol. So we will concatenate the array. What will be the index you want to display? Okay, so we have to choose index 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so for example, I want to display index 1. So what will be the value? Okay, so we have here compile, or what will be the output? So seemingly, we have here num sub 1. So in our simulation here, num sub 1 is equal to 15. So we must expect that the output of this program, okay, so the value is 15. Okay, so run the program. Okay, or if you want again to display another value, sample 3, then 0. Okay, so compile. So we must expect that the output is the value is 15, the value is 10, and the value is 13. Okay, so run. Okay, so the value is 15, the value of 10, and the value is 13. So the output is correct, but the arrangement is in horizontal. Okay, so we want to make it vertical because we use print. So we need to use the print line. Okay, so that the output will display the whole line. For this system.out.print, the value is num sub 1, then it will be printed in a single line. Okay, so for example, compile. Then next we have here, okay, so the value is 15, 10, and 13. Okay, for example, if we have lots of array, for example, an array of 50 or more than 5, so we will use now our loop. Okay, take note that our loop will can be a while loop, a do while loop, or a for loop. So I advise that we will use